Welcome back to Colorado's Best.
Just in time for the holidays, the global leaders in whole body vibration are rolling out these self-care products that relax tight muscles, increase flexibility, and reduce pain.
Doesn't that look lovely?
Yes.
PowerPlate has expanded their world-class lineup of vibrating plates to include these targeted vibration products that deliver rejuvenating results at home. And here to show us how they work is Caroline Pearce, PowerPlate Master Trainer.
Yes.
So great to have you back on the show.
No, it's great to be back here and with our latest products.
Oh my goodness, these are great. You've used them.
Yeah, I've been using them for a while now. I'm even on the packet.
Yeah, that's right.
I made the packet. You know what's so great about these are self-massaging tools, portable massaging tools, and I'm going to start by showing you one of our three, which is the PowerPlate Pulse.
PowerPlate Pulse.
Now, it has 4 different settings that you can choose from, okay? And different attachments, 6 different nodules of attachment to work the muscles in different ways. And basically, you just run it along the length of the muscle. I'll show you down on the leg now as well. And what it's doing is increasing the blood flow. It's helping to get rid of tightness and stiffness and poor circulation. So if you just feel like rejuvenating, reviving, or even helping you to prepare for workouts or recover better, these are amazing for getting rid of any of that fatigue and tightness. Now let me show on the back, and I'm going to do it on you.
She's got to share the love.
I got to share the love.
We're very tense here at the station.
Great. Now I'm doing it on you. You can do it yourself because the shape of the pulse is so easy to move around. So you can work it up through into the neck as well if you've got tension and tightness from sitting over a desk or driving or just generally that tension we sometimes wake up with.
Come and share the love.
Oh my gosh, Paula, you get in on the
same thing right there. You just find wherever you have any stiffness or tightness, wherever you feel like there's those knots in the muscle, which is the fascia.
Feel good.
The fascia that's getting all tight. And I can do it all there underneath what you call your lats there.
Oh, that is so great. Thank you.
And I won't demonstrate on your butt, I'll do it on my own. But yeah, just getting into the glutes as well there, running it down to the calf muscle. So this is the Pulse, and I want to show you some of the other attachments that we have here.
Yeah, because it comes with all of these fun attachments.
You can actually just, this is how simple, you just pull it out.
What is this one for?
This is the fork. So as you can see with the shape there, look at that. Again, that's going to run along the length of the muscle.
Oh, that gets a little
so
deeper in
there. So
there.
it goes either side of the muscle, like the striations of the muscle, if you like. So this one's a little bit harder, which means it can be a little bit deeper. You can increase that setting as well, even during the application. To get more, I can feel that. Get more intensity.
It really delivers a lot of power, and it lasts a long
time
time
as well. You get 4 hours or more after one charge with the Pulse. So there's our Pulse.
All right, this is the PowerPlate DualSphere. What does that do?
So look at the unique shape and the raised texture here as well that can again get into the muscles further. Let me take this down onto the floor. Again, 4 settings. I'm going to put it on level 2.
Yeah, I love that you can pick your setting, the intensity.
And if, for example, your calf muscles or Achilles get tight, rolling it through that part of the muscle, it's just that unique shape just curves around the muscle. Hamstring as well. Oh, that's great. If you
I'm
get
getting a little jealous, Caroline.
Now, what about the feet? This is something who doesn't love a foot massage?
Oh, yeah, that's true.
So put that on the floor.
Oh, wow.
And if you get any plantar fasciitis, I can just change the angle of my foot there as well. Comfortable, really comfortable under the foot.
You can get deep into the arch because of that curve.
Exactly.
That's great.
And it's increasing the blood flow. It's getting rid of
Vibrating
tightness.
the whole time.
It's just reviving your body.
Yeah.
So there's our DualSphere with the 4 settings.
Okay.
Whisper quiet, as I said before.
Yeah, and then this one, you see it at the gym, but this is more intense. It's the roller.
Yeah, this is a classic
roller.
foam roller with vibration,
Nice.
again, with the texture from PowerPlate there. So I'm going to go through those 4 settings once again. Let's whack it up this time. Okay, I'm going to put this one behind my back. Lower back aches and pains, anything through those shoulder blades. You basically roll or you hold in any position where it feels, or you feel that tension. And you're just applying your own body weight onto it, and the vibration, and PowerPlate is the leader in whole body vibration.
Right.
Smooth vibration, powerful vibration. It's going to work to get rid of that tightness and just help align you and just help you feel revived and good again. So
incredible
these are pretty exciting, and they're all. I traveled with this one.
Did you?
With the DualSphere.
You said you used it on
here.
the plane.
I put it behind my back on the plane and just turned it on whenever I need a little bit of
the
reviving.
passengers were jealous
too. They were like, "What's going on?"
No, I love these products. I love that you can use them at home, and just a great in time for the holidays, the stress, or a gift for the holidays.
Absolutely,
What a great gift to yourself.
Yeah, gift yourself. yourself, gift for somebody else, but perfect for self-massage when you haven't got that time to go to massage. You just want every day to revive your body.
Yeah, and look how gorgeous she looks, so we should use them too. So
you, Caroline.
PowerPlate is offering Colorado's best viewers 10% off all 3 of these products that we showed you today. So all you have to do is enter code TVP10 at powerplate.com. This offer goes through October 31st. Once again, it is powerplate.com. You can also call them at 1-877-877-5283. We'll be right back.